And of course, our guest here today is Cindi Meyer. Cindi, would you please introduce yourself?
Sure, I'd be happy to, Bob. Thank you. I started a company called DataRebels back in 2017 after being in the consulting arena for about 20 years. I spent about 17 years in the U.S. intelligence agency working as a developer. And as part of that journey, I was handed a couple of data warehouse projects over the years. So I had tried a number of different techniques. I've worked with data warehousing when third normal form. We built a Kimball Star schema warehouse. And so I was looking for a better way. And this was while I was a contractor inside of the government. And I stumbled across Data Vault. So that started my Data Vault journey and actually kicked me into a whole new career. I fell in love with the solution, with the methodology. I have a systems engineering background. I got my master's in systems engineering from George Washington University. And so, you know, you look at systems of systems, and I start looking at these data warehouses, and it's a perfect match. And I just was looking for a better way. And actually, over the years of teaching Data Vault, I find that a lot of my students and companies that are interested in Data Vault find it along the same path. They're looking for a better way. They're tired of repeating the same mistakes. Their business is breathing down their backs because they've been working on a data warehousing project for 2 years and they're not getting any value out of it. So in that sort of arena, I walked out of consulting and I took a big jump and I started my own business, DataRebels. This was after having worked with Dan Linstead for a number of years. I'd gone through the Data Vault training and he asked me if I would become an instructor, which I was flattered and honored. And of course I said yes. So I've been working with Dan since about 2015. And so I started DataRebels as an education business as well as a consulting business, but not consulting from the standard consulting concept. My focus, DataRebels' focus, is to enable the clients that I have to be self-sufficient. I believe that my goal is to actually teach men to fish. And a lot of contracting companies don't really like that concept because that's not necessarily how their business model works. But I like to be very strategic, very tactical in what I do, go in and help a team get up and get running, get them on the Data Vault journey, give them oversight when it's necessary. I basically follow the Data Vault practice of get in, get the data, and get out. So I really want to help a team learn how to implement properly, stay on the road. So that's what DataRebels is about.